Zeligate is one of the most talked about platforms in the digital marketing world right now. But before you rush to buy it, there are 7 key things you need to know. In this video, we'll break it down and make sure you have all the info to decide if it's the right fit for your needs, without the fluff. Stick around till the end, and I'll also show you how you can try Zeligate for free with exclusive benefits. Let's dive straight into it. First, Zeligate offers an all-in-one solution for automating digital marketing tasks, especially for those who are overwhelmed by managing multiple platforms. Unlike other competitors like HubSpot or MailChimp, Zeligate simplifies the process by integrating tools for email marketing, lead generation, and CRM management. What sets it apart is its unique AI-driven workflow automation, which allows businesses to scale efficiently without losing that personal touch. If you're used to juggling several different tools, Zeligate streamlines the whole process into a single platform. Next thing, you'll want to know about the ease of use. A lot of users looking at Zeligate for the first time appreciate how intuitive the user interface is. You don't have to be a tech expert to get the most out of it, which is a big difference compared to competitors that require steep learning curves. Whether you're handling campaigns or customer data, Zeligate's design allows you to get tasks done quicker and more efficiently. If you've struggled with the complexity of other platforms, Zeligate might be a breath of fresh air. The third thing you need to know is pricing. Zeligate offers a competitive pricing model, but what really makes it stand out is the scalability it offers. Whether you're a small startup or an enterprise-level business, Zeligate tailors its plans to meet your needs. Unlike other software that might push you into a one-size-fits-all package, Zeligate allows you to start small and expand your plan as your business grows, ensuring you're not overpaying for features you don't need yet. The fourth thing is the customer support. Zeligate's customer service is one of its strongest points. Unlike competitors who might leave you in a support ticket abyss for days, Zeligate provides immediate personalized support through chat, email, and even phone calls if necessary. Plus, their onboarding process is top-notch, helping you hit the ground running in no time. Now, the fifth thing you should know is how it compares when it comes to integrations. Zeligate integrates seamlessly with all the major apps and tools you might already be using. Think Zapier, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. This means you can easily sync your data across platforms and ensure that everything is working in harmony. Other platforms might have integration limitations, but with Zeligate, you'll find it easy to connect everything to your existing ecosystem. Next, let's talk about its automation features. If you're looking to automate repetitive marketing tasks like email follow-ups or social media posting, Zeligate does it better than most. Their automation features are flexible and customizable, which is perfect for marketing teams that need tailored workflows. Compared to other software that only offers basic automation, Zeligate takes things a step further, allowing you to create more complex automation that can save you time and increase ROI. The seventh and final thing to know is the level of analytics and reporting Zeligate provides. With in-depth analytics, you can track every single detail of your campaigns, down to the most granular metrics. This allows you to adjust your strategies in real time. Compared to its competitors, Zeligate's reporting dashboard is cleaner, more user-friendly, and much more actionable, giving you the insights needed to drive growth. So there you have it, 7 things you should know about Zeligate before you decide to buy. Whether you're tired of the complexity of other platforms or looking for more powerful automation tools, Zeligate stands out in a crowded field. If you're ready to give it a shot, just click the first link in the description below to access a special free trial and unlock exclusive benefits that you won't get elsewhere. Trust me, it's worth checking out.